help, but I'm not ready yet. There we go. It's like some concrete. Nick's gonna give her a try. Oh, that is some wet concrete.
Shot, send it right across.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's like some wet mortar for hanging some stack stone. You're good. Hey, pop her in 4. Yeah, there you go. Way better. Mrs. Asta doesn't have the driver mod today. You're going. Slowly, slowly. Hey, watch out. You're going. Same thing, man, same thing. Once you get to here, you should get some grip. Insane, man.
That's clay. That's baby. That's the belt too. Oh yeah. That's the belt,
We always wondered if we could get the Sherp stuck. I don't know, if a guy had another 8 hours, it could probably paddle its way through, but we're gonna get some, just go straight. Like one quad winch helps immensely. Just an extra little bit of help. It's just the tackiest, soupiest. I don't know if hitting it with more speed would have helped. Probably not. Would have ended up the same. So that's basically doing a really good job of towing it. Not quite dragon frame. We're digging up beer bottles from 1970. Okay, I gotta give her a try. I don't know if I'll do any better, but
not just me.
Great job.
That sucks. It just sucks you in, man. So thick.
How hard is it
Should we
to
get-
drive?
It's not hard at all.
it's just like
Yeah.
this, right?
Yeah. Like literally pull that to steer this way, pull this to steer this way, and
The dealer in Ontario invited me out to drive them and make videos.
they're so fun.
I haven't gotten around to doing it.
Yeah, baby.
Hi. All damn day.
Well, we met our match in Texas. Woo! Holy shit!
So it wasn't just me then.
No.
Okay.
No, there's
but
nothing I
wanted
would have
you
did
two
different, man.
high five, because that was a team
Yeah.
effort.
I
High
would've-
five. Come on, good job. Good job. You go.
So before you went in that hole, you just thought it was gonna be just simple, eh? You were just itching to get in there.
Running a belt of a renegade not holding anymore.
I said if I got stuck, it would stay in here. So.
Holy smackers.
Oh, they don't have paint.
That was nasty. Nasty, yeah. They had to save us. Always. Holy.
Piece of shit. I wouldn't have it, somebody stuck up my head.
We needed some of that. Holy.